How to withdraw money from Coinmarketcap. So if you want to withdraw money from Coinmarketcap, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your Coinmarketcap application. Make sure that you've logged into your account. And once you've logged in, now you just need something to go with the bottom right, which has portfolio option. Once you go with portfolio, now you need to add a portfolio if you don't have it. Then once you added your portfolio, you need to go with add transition, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Now tap on your main portfolio or an existing or created portfolio, any option that you're comfortable with. And then search for the coin. For example, I've searched for Bitcoin. Now tap on that option and then enter your amount and tap on add transition. After that, your transactions will be added to your transaction history on the portfolio. Just like this, you can add different transactions under one wallet. Now tap on the diamond icon, which is on the top right, and you can trade for the diamonds you have. You can get diamond points from the rewards you win. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.